Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be doing Juiceless July, where we will be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some old fashioned cocktails. For this recipe, there are various different ways to make an old fashioned, so I'll show you a couple different variations. You will need 1 sugar cube or 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of water. Or you can instead use 2 teaspoons of simple syrup if you have it around. You can, of course, buy this from the store, but you can also make it at home super easily using equal parts sugar and water. Check out the strawberry daiquiri video for full instructions. For either option, you will also need 2 or so dashes of bitters. There are many flavor options to choose from, but I recommend using Angostura bitters for the traditional taste, but use what you can find. Then you will also need your alcohol. Traditionally, the alcohol used is 1 to 2 shots of bourbon or whiskey, but you can also use 1 to 2 shots of brandy if you want to make an authentic Wisconsin old fashioned. Then you will also need some ice. I recommend using ball ice if you have them, since the drink won't dilute as quickly, but normal ice works fine. And for an optional garnish, you will also need an orange slice or peel and a maraschino or Luxardo cherry. And if you're making the Wisconsin variation, you will need an additional orange slice and cherry to muddle, as well as some lemon lime soda. First, to your whiskey glass, pour in your simple syrup or put in your sugar cube and water, along with your bitters, as well as a slice of orange and cherry if desired. Stir or muddle this until everything is mixed together. Then add in your ice cubes, and then pour in a shot or 2 of your alcohol of choice. Next, add in your soda if desired. And finally, peel your orange or slice a slice, and then give it a little twist to release the oil into the drink, and garnish your drink with this, along with the cherry, and your old fashioned is ready to drink. I think that the old fashioned is such a great cocktail to order when you don't know what to get at a bar. It's super simple and easy to sip on, and you can usually get a pretty decent one wherever you go. It's also so easy to make, so if you're looking for something quick and boozy to drink at home, I highly recommend making this drink. I actually didn't realize how many different variations there are on this simple drink, so it was interesting to see the differences that people have come up with, especially when the drinks differ a lot regionally. Apparently, this drink is considered by many in Wisconsin to be the state's unofficial drink. In terms of its taste, it's a bit sweeter than a normal old fashioned because of the soda and muddled fruit, but both have great flavors. And yes, technically this drink isn't juiceless, but you technically don't need to add the fruit. So technically, it's juiceless. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.